Creating an AI avatar for YouTube involves several steps, including generating the avatar, scripting the dialogue, and recording the video. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you before starting the video. Please subscribe to my AI Time Capsule channel for more AI videos. I will provide you with the link in the video description. Use your Gmail to sign up, select any random option, and click the next button. Once you are done, you will be redirected to the Colossyan main dashboard.
Welcome to the Colossyan Creator. Today we are going to learn how to create your first AI video, following just some simple steps. First, click under the Actor tab and scroll through the different variety of actors and select the one that you think is best. After you have selected your desired actor, under the Appearance tab you can select on how you would like your actor to be presented. After selecting the appearance, you have two ways of positioning your actor. One is with buttons on the side, or you can simply drag it to your desired location in the canvas. Once you have positioned your actor, you can use the order buttons to position it in front of shapes, texts, media, and other stuff. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.
Hey everyone! I'm Henry, an actor from Colossyan, and I would love to show you a quick demonstration of our PPT and PDF to video feature. You can start by pressing the Import button in Colossyan Creator, which will allow you to select your file. As an example, let's create a video out of the short PDF from our first webinar dedicated to localization. Look at that! Now, how about we insert a script? You could select any voice you like and create a professional voiceover for your PDF. Let's check it out. Don't forget about transitions. You can save time by applying them to all scenes, and they can make your video much smoother. Let's continue to add voiceover scripts to our slides. Now, if you feel stuck about any of your slide scripts, that's not a problem. Just use Colossyan's AI Script Assistant, and it can easily help you write a relevant script. We've integrated ChatGPT into the script writing editor, so you don't need to jump between different tabs. If you want to make the video from your PDF more exciting, you can add any videos and other media from our media library. Just type in what you need, and you'll find it in seconds. As you can see, creating a fully narrated and engaging video from a PDF is very easy with Colossyan, so after you've added everything you need, all you have left to do is preview your video, and once you've checked the preview, generate it. I hope you found this demonstration useful and that you now know how to turn PDFs and presentations into engaging videos. Thanks for watching and happy creating!
With Colossyan Creator, creating training and learning videos has never been easier. Simply type your script into our software and make studio-quality videos with real actors in minutes. No equipment needed. Our clients use Colossyan to level up their employee onboarding, transform the way they train staff, and make sure that their educational messages really hit home. Bite-sized videos with human faces boost engagement, maximize the power of your message, and make it stick. Choose from real-life actors, type in your script, and watch your synthetically generated video come to life. Start building out your library of micro-learning videos today.
Welcome to the Colossyan Creator. Today we're going to learn how to add different backgrounds and transitions to your videos, following just some simple steps. Click on the Background tab and select from the different background categories. You can select your favorite color. When you are on the Background tab, you can also select footages that you like from our stock library. You can also upload your own background media or use our screen recording feature. Once you have selected your background image, you can add filters or blur to them to enhance your video quality even further. On the Transition tab, you can select the different styles of transitions, where you can apply them individually to each scene or to all scenes with one click only. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.